We recently introduced our new strategy, accompanied by a refreshed set of values through the launch of OneTR, where we work globally across our regions to deliver a singular vision. Our strategy is focused on 3 market sectors: automotive, smart infrastructure, and medical equipment. The following video clips will give you a brief introduction to each of our target sectors. Our vision and purpose is to sustainably drive our customers' success by simplifying their fastener supply chain and supporting them in their technical requirements through our world-class engineering and manufacturing capabilities. This upcoming video showcases how we are achieving this, with a focus on our national distribution centre in the UK. Welcome to TR, part of Trifast plc. A leading global specialist in the design, engineering, and manufacture of industrial fasteners and components. With a presence in over 30 countries, TR supplies components to over 5,000 companies worldwide, serving industries from automotive, smart infrastructure to medical and beyond. At TR, our purpose is simple: to sustainably drive our customers' success by simplifying their fastener supply chain, allowing them to focus on high-value components. We take the complexity out of managing a vast bill of materials, handling everything from engineering to distribution. As an engineering-focused company, we offer unparalleled technical support, helping our customers solve application problems and innovate new product developments. From custom-designed fasteners to standard components, TR ensures quality through robust in-house manufacturing and a resilient supply chain. In an ever-changing world, sustainability is at the core of our manufacturing philosophy. Our facilities are working towards net zero, positioning us to lead in a market increasingly focused on eco-conscious production. We focus on building strong, value-driven relationships with our customers, helping them optimize their fastener needs and allowing them to concentrate on their core competencies. TR can support your business with world-class fastener technology, engineering expertise, and a simplified supply chain solution. Welcome to TR's state-of-the-art National Distribution Centre, a central hub revolutionising our operations across the UK. Spanning 75,000 square feet in the Midlands, our NDC centralises warehousing from multiple locations, enhancing logistics, reducing carbon emissions, and paving the way for scalable growth. Our streamlined national stock platform enables efficient inventory management and faster stock replenishment across the UK. The mezzanine area is designed for rapid small pick operations, complemented by a lean lift system, maximising vertical storage space and optimising retrieval times. Continuous process improvements like advanced scanning and heat map analytics streamline picking and put-away processes for optimal resource allocation. Our very narrow aisle system increases storage capacity, allowing us to accommodate over 16,000 items with remarkable efficiency. The TR engineering team leverages value analysis, value engineering to optimize product development through rigorous testing and quality checks. Our advanced loading bay system, equipped with single and double-decker bays, enhances the flow of goods, reducing travel time and boosting productivity. We follow the 5S Gamba principles to maintain workplace organization, safety, and efficiency, creating a culture of continuous improvement. Our warehouse office is the control center, focusing on order profiling, productivity tracking, and key performance indicators to ensure optimal performance. Through initiatives like waste management, recycling, and reusable totes, TR is committed to reducing its environmental impact and aligning with sustainability goals. Our application and innovation space allows visitors to interact with TR products, experiencing real-world applications, and gaining insights into our manufacturing processes. Hot desk facilities fosters cross-functional collaboration among engineering, quality, and health and safety teams, promoting innovation and continuous improvement. TR's National Distribution Centre is not just a warehouse, it's a strategic hub driving efficiency, innovation, and sustainability. Explore more and see how we're shaping the future of logistics. We are focused on delivering our strategy and OneTR transformation through 4 key strategic initiatives. Margin management, ensuring TR offer the most competitive and value-add pricing to our key customers. Focused growth, driving new business development into our chosen market sectors. Organizational effectiveness, technology roadmap, financial controls, and design organizational culture change. Operational efficiency, supply chain optimization and manufacturing utilization. We have also launched our new values that are there to guide how we aspire to be and how we work together. We work with integrity, respecting our past while building a stronger future. Integrity is at the heart of every decision we make, ensuring trust with our colleagues, partners, and customers. We are agile and forward-thinking. Always seeking continuous improvement, we embrace new challenges with a positive attitude, striving to make things better every day. We respect everyone. We celebrate diversity and welcome fresh thinking and new ideas. At TR, we create a culture where everyone can be themselves and thrive. We care about the environment. We are committed to reducing our impact and finding new ways of doing business that are better for the planet. Our goal is clear: we aspire to be net zero. We are passionate and courageous. We challenge the status quo, solving problems with creativity and determination. Our engineering excellence helps us deliver the best solutions for our customers. We collaborate as OneTR, embracing teamwork across borders and functions. By working together, we achieve more and deliver the best solutions for our customers. Join us in shaping the future with integrity, respect, and passion. We are OneTR. The success of our company lies in the hands of each and every one of us. By working together, we can achieve everything we set out to do, and so much more. Visit trfastenings.com for more information